Guys, this AI will make thousands of people lose their job in the future. Not only that, it's kind of scary the capabilities that it can actually do. And I just want to say this, it's very alarming. So make sure that you watch with caution. Welcome to my channel where I strive to sell you not one thing and teach you entrepreneurship, mindset, and real estate for absolutely free. Now, with that being said, guys, my name is Brandon Narain, and today I'll be breaking down how you can use artificial intelligence to create businesses online or to help you in your real estate business right now. So the AI is actually called GPT or Chat GPT, and this is basically a type of artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. Now, this has the capability of generating natural language text that is often difficult to distinguish from text written by a human being. That's crazy. Wow. So to put this in simpler terms, right, guys, GPT is basically a computer program that is really good at writing things that sound like it was written by a person. Now, I wonder if it could go ahead and text blast for me and then reply to homeowners with having to go ahead and really identify if they are a true seller avatar so that my acquisition team can close them. Now that's pretty cool, right? Well, anyways, listen, we can use Chat GPT to help us talk to people online, to go ahead and help us write scripts, and also have us do a lot more things that I'll be breaking down right now. Now, the craziest thing, guys, is that I actually asked Chat GPT to go ahead and create me a YouTube introduction on what it actually was. So everything that I just said was literally created just by the AI. So how can this be used in your real estate industry? Well, number one, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this if you are maybe an investor or a landlord and you want to write a letter to your tenant evicting them in, let's just say, maybe 30 days. Take a peek. All right, guys, so the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is actually Google Chat GPT. Now, once you go ahead and Google Chat GPT, as I stated, it is a AI that is created by openai.com. So once you actually click on it, you want to go ahead and click on try it at the top. Now, it is currently free, but I do believe in the future they should be charging, just because they were able to get over 1 million users in under 6 days. This is surpassing Facebook or Instagram when they launched. So once you click on try it, you're going to go ahead and actually create an account. And once you're done creating an account, it's going to look something just like this. Now, I want to go ahead and read out to you some of the limitations. As you can see here on the right hand side, it says may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, and also limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. Now, granted, these are obviously just some privacy policy, maybe some terms and conditions. They don't want to be liable for anything, but I want to go ahead and show you guys, as I stated, how to have Chat GPT write a letter to your tenant evicting them. Check this out. So I'm going to go ahead and tell them, write a letter to my tenant evicting them due to non-payment, and then I click enter. Now, guys, you can see it literally instantaneously starts to go ahead and write this letter for me. Dear tenant, I am writing you to inform you that you are being evicted from the rental property located at 123 Main Street. This decision has been made due to non-payment of rent. According to the terms of your lease agreement, you are required to pay rent in full and on time, despite the multiple attempts to communicate with you and remind you of this obligation. You have consistently failed to pay the full amount of rent due. As a result, I am left with no choice but to initiate the eviction process. You will be required to vacate the premises by blank date, which gives you sufficient time to find alternative housing. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. Now, guys, as you can see, all I asked it to do was just write a letter evicting them due to non-payment. But it actually went a little further on, and it actually made this seem like it was written by myself or somebody that was actually human. You can never tell that this was written by artificial intelligence. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask it a couple more things. Let's just go ahead and maybe say, why is real estate wholesaling better than flipping houses? All right, guys, just want to go ahead and take this moment to give our sponsor for today's video a shout out. With that being said, we've been able to go ahead and partner with Batch Leads, getting you a free 7-day trial and also 1,000 leads, either when it comes to cash buyers or potential motivated homeowners. So if you're an aspiring real estate investor and you're looking to go ahead and get started, please make sure to get the all-in-one software right now by going to bluestext.com or checking the link in the description. Now back to today's video. Now guys, this is insane. Check out what it's doing. Immediately it starts to go to work telling me exactly why real estate wholesaling is better than flipping houses. Not only this, you can turn this into a newsletter to maybe give to your students or other friends or whatever the case may be. You could turn this into an essay. You could turn this into an Instagram caption, or you can go ahead and turn this into a YouTube script. Now, the cool thing about this, guys, is that there's a website called Fiverr where you can do what's called freelancing. Now, with freelancing, it's basically where people go to find out if they can go ahead and hire other people to do services like YouTube thumbnails, maybe writing some copy for your sales letter, or things just like that. Now imagine if you can go ahead and middleman that by offering some services on writing sales copy or newsletters, and all you have to do is leverage OpenAI. Now this is one of the business ideas that you can do middlemaning this free software. So now that it has actually written out some of the differences, I don't want to go ahead and really read all this out. It looks like a whole bunch of just blah. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell it to simplify this. All right, so simplify this so a third grader can understand. Now let's see what it does now. Wow, so check it out. It says, sure, here's a simplified version of the information I provided earlier. Wholesaling is when someone buys a house for a lower price and then sells it to someone else for a higher price. The person who buys it first makes money by finding a good deal and selling it to someone else. Flipping is when someone buys a house and fixes it up and then sells it for a higher price. So now I'm going to ask it, make 3 selling points. Make 3 points that identify why you should wholesale real estate over flipping real estate. Right now, guys, this is going to be crazy because if it can do this, as I stated, this is going to be alarming. Oh my God. As you can see, guys, it literally starts to go ahead and work. Number 1, lower upfront costs. Number 2, quicker turnaround, and it gives an actual introduction. Number 3, it's saying what it's actually, hold on, okay. Number 3, lower risk. This is insane, guys, right? So this is the power of artificial intelligence and how you can go ahead and leverage this program to do many, many things. And I know that you're probably watching right now and you have so many ideas probably going through your mind. Check this out. Make this shorter into an Instagram caption. Wow. Now this is insane, guys. As I stated before, there's so many things that you can use this particular artificial intelligence software for. And there's so many things that come to mind when it comes down to Chat GPT. So with that being said, guys, please, please, please make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure that you subscribe. Comment down below if you, in the future, once they go public, will you be investing in their company? And number 2, what do you plan on using Chat GPT to go ahead and help you out in your business, or maybe creating a new business where you can help others and in return you can make money? My name is Brandon Arain, and it's been a pleasure with you, showing you guys how Chat GPT is probably going to change the world. Till next time, guys.